Foley is the art of creating and recording sound effects. It's performed by a Foley artist and recorded by a Foley mixer, and it's done to picture.
When I started 25 years ago, nobody even knew what Foley was. I used to tell people I was in the adult entertainment industry because they had no idea or clue what I did. I used to sell films overseas to different countries, and I met this lady, and she brought me to a post house, and I kind of looked in the window and I saw these people, you know, throwing car doors across the room and to sync with picture, and I got interested in it. So I asked them if I could hang out and, you know, observe, and since then I've done from Baywatch to Passion of the Christ to Captain America to SpongeBob to cartoons.
You know, I was working at a pretty low level at a post-production audio house, and I got the opportunity to work on some Foley, and I met Vinny, and then just kind of started working together and got busier and busier. But one of the beauty parts of working in Foley is that it's a partnership and it's a collaboration, and so you get to, you know, work with somebody else and bounce ideas off of each other. But we're still kind of stuck in our own little world here.
We're completely have total freedom of making the sound of what we want to do. And it's really kind of it's an honor and a privilege, because when it goes to the mix stage, they're ready to go. So what we give them has to be right. Cool? Usually in Foley, the more creative you can be, the more intense your Foley can be. So on average, a 10-minute cartoon like SpongeBob or